How to clear history on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how to clear your history on Reddit. For that, open any browser on your device and in the search bar, type reddit.com, then press enter to browse it. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach this interface. Here, at the top right, you will find various icons. Click on your profile icon to view the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you will be taken to the area where you will find all the sections of settings. After reaching this page, here at the top, you will find various options. Click on your profile option next to Account. Once this page loads, you scroll down, and at the very bottom, you will find Clear History. At the right side of it, you will find the Clear History option. Simply click on it. It will delete your post views history. So, that's how you can clear history on Reddit. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that icon to get notifications on more useful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.